So what we're going to do in this video is learn how to use the sine rule. What we can do with the sine rule is calculate the length of an unknown side of a triangle or the length of an unknown angle. But what we have here is what we're going to do today, or in this video, calculating the length of a side. If you remember, if we've got angle A, this means this is the length A. We've got angle B, this is length B. This is angle C, this is length C. And what the sine rule tells us is it relates the lengths of the sides to the sines of the angles opposite them. And what we can say is if we know this side, length, and divide it by sine A, that's going to be equal. Change that to lowercase, I made a mistake. That's going to be B over sine B is equal to the length of side C over sine C. And from this equation, which you're given in the exam, you can calculate the length of a side or an angle. But as long as you remember, because if you can see down here, I've not labelled them A, B or C. As long as you remember that it is this length of this side over this angle, this side over this angle, this side over this angle. Okay, so for this example, we can just jump straight into realizing we want to know what this length is, and we've got that angle, so we can just write x over sine 63 is going to equal 5 over sine 72. What we can now do is rearrange for x, so that's x divided by sine 63 equals 5 divided by sine 72. We can rearrange that to be x equals 5 over sine 72 times sine 63. So we can get a calculator and do 5 divided by sine 72, and then I press equals because it saves that and calculates it, and then we just do times sine 63, which gives us 4.684, which rounding to one decimal place will be 4.7 meters. So there, from the sine rule, we've been able to calculate the length of an unknown side. So let's do another one. So I've said before, we need to have the side and the angle opposite it in order to use this equation. Right now I'm asking you for this length, but I do not know this angle. But that's not an issue, because we should remember that the three angles in a triangle add up to be 180. So to find angle Q, all we do is 180, take away 65, take away 53, which gives us 62 degrees. And now we can use that angle in the formula. So x over sine 62 will equal 11 over sine 53. Just like we did before, we can rearrange it for x. It's going to equal 11 over sine 53 times sine 62. Get a calculator. 11 divided by sine 53. Press equals, saves the answer, and times that straight away by sine 62. Which is going to give us 12.161, which rounded to one decimal place is 12.2 kilometers.